And here we can see some examples of our mergeable placeholders. These are what drive our variables. Every single file or field rather that we selected, or clause, mergeable subtable, everything that we selected on the mergeable content toward the beginning of this whole process is available to us as a placeholder. And what we need to do is copy each of these placeholders and paste them into their appropriate location back in that Word document we looked at that was all highlighted. And we can break down the different kinds of placeholders based on the prefix and suffix if we need to. So no prefix or suffix, we know it's a field. If it says RCL, it is a reference clause library. RMC is a reference to a mergeable clause. STC is static content, really useful if we want to put in the current date. And then TBL is useful because we know that is a subtable. So we can look at a document kind of like this one now that we've taken out all of our highlighted areas and put in our placeholders and know exactly what kind of data is being pulled into it. Now bear in mind that the data that is pulled into a placeholder is going to size to that data. It's also going to take the formatting that we applied to the placeholder. So if I left this document exactly as it stands, every single one of these items that's red would come in as red. It's useful if you need to have something in a larger font and bolded, kind of like we have up here toward the top. So we've copied and pasted our placeholders into our boilerplate. This is an example of a mergeable clause. As you can see, it takes placeholders the exact same way, but then we might have a placeholder just for all of this where it gets inserted back into our core document.